Know-how: the recycle bin. In viflow, objects can be removed from the graphics and the process model. We would like to show you here how you can use these functions safely. Remove viflow objects from a graphic. Select the objects you want to delete and press the Delete key on your keyboard. These objects are not moved to the recycle bin, but remain in the process model. If objects have local properties, a warning message appears before they are deleted. If you confirm this with yes, the local properties will be irrevocably lost. So be careful here. Objects that are linked to connectors are another exception. Before these can be deleted, the assignment between the graphic and connector must be removed. The most reliable way to do this is in developer mode. This can be found under File, Options, General. When the developer mode is active, a list of all associated connectors can be displayed in the properties of the graphic in the tab Drawing. The assignment between graphic and connector can be removed via the context menu. The object can then also be deleted. Delete viflow objects from the process model. When deleting viflow objects from the process model, they are first moved to the recycle bin. Only when the recycle bin is emptied or the objects are manually removed, the objects are permanently deleted. To delete a viflow object from the process model, right-click on the object in the corresponding viflow window and select Delete from the context menu. Alternatively, you can also press the Delete button. A dialog appears, the content of which may differ depending on the object type and sub-objects. Here are the various options using the process object as an example. The shape. This shape is deleted from the graphic and the process model and moved to the recycle bin. The object. This shape remains in the graphic. Only the object is deleted from the process model and moved to the recycle bin. The object and all sub-processes. This shape remains in the graphic. Only the object and all subordinate processes are deleted from the process model and moved to the recycle bin. The following applies to the last two options. If the objects are permanently deleted, the corresponding shape also disappears from the graphic. The process can be cancelled using the None option. Attention! If you press the Shift and Delete buttons at the same time, the object will be permanently deleted. It will not go to the recycle bin and cannot be restored. Using the recycle bin. Open the recycle bin via View, Recycle bin. Here you can see all objects that you have deleted from the process model. If there are folders in the recycle bin, their contents can be accessed either by double-clicking or using the arrow button in the navigation bar. To restore objects, select the Restore entry from the context menu. The objects are restored to their original position in the process model. If you want to remove objects permanently, select the Delete context menu item. To permanently remove the entire contents of the recycle bin, right-click in the window and select Empty Recycle Bin. Alternatively, you can also delete the contents of the recycle bin via the Recycle Bin tab Clear. WeCon wishes you productive process modeling.